Hi everyone, in this class we are going to be solving a question, and the question is coming from integration as you can see on the board. However, there are things I want you to know in this video. Anytime we differentiate u, the answer gives us the u. So if we differentiate v, the answer gives us the v. So even if we differentiate y, the answer will give us the y. Just hold that. But if we try to integrate the v, the answers give us v. And if we try to integrate the u, the answers give us u. If we try to integrate the y, the answers give us y. So that is what we are going to be applying. I hope you have written all those things down. Now, let's go into the question. Now, we are asked to integrate u dv. We want to show you that this thing is everything here. But how do we get this thing? Now, let's say y is the same thing as uv. If y is the same thing as uv, we are going to be applying product rule to solve this thing. So we are going to be differentiating uv. So I can say now dy dx. What is our product rule? U dv ds. U dv over dx plus v du over dx. And now this is what we call the product rule. This is the product rule. Now, having done this, multiply through by dx. We want to multiply each times through by dx. So if dx multiplies the y over dx here, everything will result to what? The y alone. Because the x will cancel out the s. Now, if the x multiply every time here, the answer is reduced to what? U dv plus, if the x multiply this time here, the answer will reduce to what? V du. Now, having done this again, we can now add integral sign to everything. So we have integral of dy equals to integral of u dv plus integral of v du. Remember, I said earlier that if you integrate the y, the result is going to give you y. So integration of the y here is going to give us what? Y equals to integral of u dv plus integral of what? V du. Now, let's make integral of u dv the subject of the formula because it's the only thing standing alone here. So we are going to be bringing integral of v du to this side. So I can now say y minus integral of v du is the same thing as integral of u dv. Now, having done this, recall that our y is uv. So here becomes what? Y is what? uv minus integral of v du equals to integral of u dv. Let's write it the way it should be. So I can now say, therefore, integral of u dv is the same thing as uv minus integral of v du. And this method is called integration by parts method. And that is our final answer. As you can see, this thing here is the same thing as what we have given as question. And that's all for the class. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.